to show or hide emoji and stickers in Gboard suggestion strip on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on general management. Next, tap on Gboard settings. Then scroll down and from here, tap on emojis, stickers and GIFs. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on show emoji. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature, as well as for show stickers, so you can choose to show stickers suggestions in the suggestions strip. So here, if I bring up the keyboard and if I tap on test in the suggestion strip here, it can show emoji icons, so you can switch them off if you wanted to. So don't show emojis or stickers, and it will not show any suggestions in this strip right here. And that's it. Here, if I switch it on, it will show suggestions for stickers and emoji. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.